Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to apply for Comp-Off in ESS. Compensatory off or Comp-Off in short refers to the leave adjustment or encashment of salary if you have worked on any weekly offs or on declared holidays. Based on your company policy, the Comp-Off can be availed as leave or it can be paid in lieu of leave. To apply for Comp-Off, log into ESS. On the home page, click the menu bar, click Comp-Off, click on the plus icon to apply for a new Comp-Off, enter the date on which you have worked, that is the holiday or weekly off, select the number of days given in the drop-down as either full day or half a day. Enter the remarks under reason. You can attach any supporting document if required. Click Apply. Once the request is raised in ESS, an email notification will be sent to the reporting manager for approval. After your reporting manager approves the Comp-Off request, you will have an option to request payment or request leave. If you would like to request leave, click Request Leave, select the date, select full day or half a day, that is the first session or second session as applicable. Mention the reason and click Apply for Leave. If you select Request for Payment, then the salary for the approved days will be processed. Click OK to process the transaction and the payment will be processed in the current month. If the company policy has either only leave or only payment as compensation, then only one option will be displayed. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.